Welcome back to English Made Easy.
We're here to talk about real life in easy English, so you get a few minutes of natural practice in your day.
I'm Nico,
And I'm Bella.
and today we're going to the movies.
Finally, a topic I actually love.
This is a Bella topic for sure.
It really is.
And I know it's a Bella topic because it's Monday morning, I walk into the studio, and I see you.
What? I look fine.
You look happy, but tired. Big smile, small energy.
I'm okay. Just maybe 4 hours of sleep.
4 hours? Were you studying vocabulary all night?
I wish. No, I was watching a series. My TV even asked me that famous question.
Oh, I know.
It's asking, are you still watching?
When your TV asks, "Are you still watching?" you know it's been too late. All right, tell us what happened last night.
Okay, story time. I told myself, 1 episode, just one. I will be a responsible adult.
I can already hear the problem.
I started at 8 in the evening. I looked at the clock again, and it was 2 in the morning.
2?
6 episodes, gone.
So you didn't just watch the show,
I binged watched it.
When we say binge watch, we mean you watch many episodes or many movies in a short time. 1, 2, 3, 4, you keep going.
It's like eating a big bag of chips. You say, I will only eat one. But your hand goes into the bag again and again, and suddenly the bag is empty.
Binge is this idea of too much at one time. So binge watch is like eat too many episodes.
I can say I binged watched that new series this weekend. That means I watched a lot of episodes, maybe the whole thing. But I didn't plan to binge watch.
So why didn't you stop after one episode?
Because the story was really good. After a few minutes, I forgot about the time.
In English, we often say, I got pulled into the story.
Imagine the story is a strong magnet, and your attention is a small metal coin. The magnet pulls the coin closer and closer. You don't push. The story pulls you.
So if you say, I was pulled into this story, it means the story was so interesting, you forgot other things.
For example, after 10 minutes, I was completely pulled into the story.
Or the characters felt real, and I got pulled into their world.
That's what happened to me. I sat down for just 10 minutes, and then the story pulled me in. And suddenly, it was 2 in the morning.
So first, you binged watched the show, and you binged watched because you were pulled into the story.
Exactly.
And where did all of this happen?
At home, of course, not in the cinema. My living room is my little cinema.
Your little cinema must be very nice to put you in such a strong movie mood.
It was raining outside. The lights were low. I was wearing soft pajamas. I made a cup of tea, took a blanket, and I curled up on the sofa with my laptop.
You said you curled up on the sofa.
Curl up is a very cozy word.
Think of a cat. The cat doesn't sit in a straight line. It makes a small, round shape with its body. That is curl up.
Yes, curl up means you sit or lie in a small, comfortable position, usually on a sofa or in bed, often with a blanket, often when you relax.
You can say, after work, I just curl up on the sofa with a movie.
Or, on Sunday mornings, I curl up in bed with a film and a cup of coffee.
So your evening was, you curled up on the sofa, you got pulled into the story, and you binged watched the whole show.
Yes, that is exactly what happened.
But not every movie night is like that, right? Some things you watch and then you forget.
Yes, many movies are just okay. Nice, but nothing special.
And then we have the special ones. the movies that stay with you.
The ones where you finish the movie and you don't move. You just sit there and think.
For those, in English, we often say, that movie really blew me away.
Imagine very strong wind. The wind hits you and pushes you back a little bit. That's blow away. When a movie blows you away, it feels like very strong wind in your mind.
It means you are very surprised and very impressed. The movie was much better than you expected.
I thought it would be a simple movie, but it completely blew me away.
Last year, I watched a small film about a father and his daughter. No big explosions, no famous actors, just a simple story. But the film blew me away. I was still thinking about it days later.
So first, the story pulled you into their life.
Yes,
And at the end, it blew you away.
exactly. Pulled me in, then blew me away.
Let's put all of this together for our listeners.
To imagine this little story.
Last weekend, I curled up on the sofa and binge-watched the new show. After a few minutes, I was completely pulled into the story, and the last episode just blew me away.
Good. And remember the meanings of these phrases we used today? First, binge-watch, like eating too many chips, but with episodes. You watch 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row.
Second, pulled into. The story is a magnet, and your attention is the metal coin. The story pulls you in.
Third, curl up, like a cat on the sofa. You make a small, comfortable shape with your body when you relax.
Finally, blew me away. A strong wind in your mind. The movie is so good, it really surprises and impresses you. Now, we want to hear about your movie life.
Do you binge watch series, or do you watch just one episode at a time? Where do you like to curl up and watch something? On your bed, your sofa, or somewhere else? And can you remember one movie that really blew you away?
If you like, you can write your answer in the comments. Try to use at least one of today's phrases: binge watch, pulled into, curl up, or blew me away. You can just type or tap the microphone on your phone and speak slowly, then send it.
And if this episode felt good for you, you can click on the next episode and binge watch more English with us.
Just curl up with your headphones, let the next episode pull you into more English, and maybe one of them will really blow you away.
Thanks for listening and practicing with us today.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.